Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy and I've got some yarn to show you. So I've, as you know, started my own business. It's not quite up and running yet. It's a massive task, so it's taken a while. And it's called Hobby Rocks. It's an online shop and it doesn't just do yarn, but the predominant product is yarn. So as time has gone by, I've been gradually putting some stock in. And I decided to do a couple of orders, and this one is for some Stylecraft. So both my orders for this one, the Stylecraft and the King Cole, contain elements of that order that are for me, because I need to make a few projects that I really want the yarn for, and I'll show you some. I won't show you the whole order because they're in massive boxes, because there are quantities of them. But this is the first one that I bought, and it's part of the cabaret. I'll put the whole pack in there because that whole pack is mine. And I need to find, here it is. This is the one. Now I've not had this one before. It is absolutely beautiful and it's called Dragonfly. I ordered two. I ordered Dragonfly and Butterfly. I'd not had either of those before, but the Butterfly was out of stock sadly, so I didn't get that one. But this one is Dragonfly and it is gorgeous. Look at those colours. It's really beautiful. So let's have a look at the band. It's 7223 Dragonfly. There is always a pattern on the other side, but it's always the same, and I've never looked to see if it's knitted or crocheted. This is 98% premium acrylic and 2% polyester, but that goldy sort of, well, pink lurex thread, you cannot feel, it doesn't feel rough in any way. There's 230 meters or 251 yards, 100-gram balls of this, and it's machine washable to 30 degrees, so that's pretty decent, isn't it? But I love this color, so I bought myself a whole pack. I bought some for the shop too, but that one is mine. Now I bought some more of this. I can't tell you how much of this I've got, because this is my most favorite underwater rainbow. I love it, so I bought some more for the shop, and I don't know where mine is. It's here somewhere on the shelves, but I did search for it and couldn't find it, so anyway, I brought lots of packs so I can always have some for me. So this is 1095 underwater rainbow. All the same stuff applies, you know, yardage and meterage and stuff, but I absolutely love this one so much. The colours are dreamy, it's mystical, it really does grab my attention, that one. So I got some of that. And this one, I've got some of this for the shop more than me. This is called Golden Sunset, although it is gorgeous. Really kind of autumnal colours, but bright and beautiful. You could wear it any time really, couldn't you? But that's Golden Sunset, and it's 3581, all the same sizing, etc. Now they used to do a blue one many moons ago, and it was this one, and it was nice. I love this, the blues in this. They are so bright and lovely, and then you got the dark ones, but it had this whitish and greyish bit which didn't kind of grab me as much as the brighter colours. I have a lot of this. I have a lot of this, but I think they've discontinued this colour because I never see it anymore, and it was called Lagoon. It was 3580 Lagoon, and I've got quite a lot of this. So whether oh hello, little grey bit in the middle, like a little worm sticking out, but this is beautiful. I love this one, but the new blue one is stunning. This is the new blue one. Look at those colours. I'm a sucker for blue, as most of you know. It's one of my favourite colours. I would say my favourite colour is blue, but you know, I love so many colours when it comes to yarn. So, but this one's called Ocean, and I think it's taken the place of that one, 3571 Ocean, and I just adore that. So I bought myself a whole pack because I didn't really have much Ocean. So this is all mine. Okay, So then I bought myself, as well as the shop, because it was out of stock last time I ordered, some Stylecraft Special Aran in black, a whole pack for me because I need it for some projects. But this is it. It is absolutely lovely. It's so hard to find an Aran 4-weight yarn when you look through them. And I've got access to a lot more yarns because of the wholesale aspect. Look through all their varieties, and so few have black. You know, you might find a charcoal, you might find a grey, but very, very few have a black. And when they do, quite often they're flecky, so they're not completely black like this one. But this is beautiful and dark and soft, scrumptious black, and I like Stylecraft Special Aran a lot. So this is 1002 black, 100% premium acrylic, 196 meters, 214 yards, and it's a 4-weight Aran. So cool. The whole pack is mine, and there's 2 of them are out. And then I got, oh hang on, look, a little stray dragonfly. I think it is, let's see. Yep, another dragonfly. I love that one. Then I decided that I wanted to try this. It's one of the new colours of the Wonder Soft merry-go-round in double knitting. It's not a thin double knitting though, it's a nice size strand. And look at this, it is the softest. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, beautiful colour. And really silky soft. It feels soft when you do this as well, because sometimes you get a yarn and although you can squish it like this, it doesn't feel that soft to touch. But this is just beautiful stuff. Now 100-gram ball, as you can see, this is called Starburst 3145 and it is 100% premium acrylic and approximately 294 meters and 322 yards, and it is machine washable to 40 degrees. I'm having trouble with my light, but look at those colors. Now I bought this really for the shop, whether it'll make its way there. I actually bought it to try. That's the thing, you know, when you see yarns, a picture of them, I want to see it, touch it, feel it, use it, see what it's like. So I kind of got it to try it to see if I want to stock it, and I'm really impressed with this one. But this is beautiful colourway. I hate the word colourway, and I said it, oh my goodness. So then I decided that I hadn't really bought any patterns for my shop, so I would get some, and I'd get some that are kind of timeless, that are always going to be popular. So I got the Janie Crow mystical lanterns. I got a few of those to put in the shop. And there was one Janie Crow that was out of stock, and a couple of, also the butterfly was out of stock, so I need to make sure I get the credit for that. But magic circles as well, because I thought that looked kind of interesting, so I got a few of those as well for the shop. And oops, don't drop it. Yeah, so that's just that. And I got some King Cole ones as well. Not many, because there are thousands, seriously, like thousands of patterns. So I thought I would just start dipping my toe in the water of patterns. And got a couple. So now I've got to upload all that. Oh, hang on. I forgot this one. How could I forget it? The little stray one. A little bonus at the end. Look at that. Pink and greys. And I've made a gorgeous scarf with this. I lost it. I made this scarf and I lost it. And I made it for when I had my operation and I had the scar on my neck and I didn't want people to see it. So I made what I called scar scarves. It was a bit unfortunate for me that I had my operation in August. So at first I couldn't use them, but and it was starting to get better looking when it was cold. But it was nice to cover them up anyway and not show it. So I thought, oh, I'll make it out of this. And it was absolutely gorgeous. The grey one as well, the one that's all different colour blacks for what's the other one called, Twist and Shout. I like that, but this one I made as well, and this is just works up absolutely beautifully. So that was another one, and it's the Cabaret, so all the same things apply. 98% premium acrylic, 2% polyester, 30 degrees, machine wash, 100-gram ball. And what's the colour? Turtle Dove, 3584 turtle dove. So I made what I did is I made a scarf out of this, and I made one out of twist and shout to see which one I liked the best. I have to say I liked the twist and shout best because it was a little bit thicker. That was the only reason. But this one would make a gorgeous one for the kind of spring, summer. Lovely, absolutely lovely. So that one, little bonus ball just at the end there. So tell me what you think. Which do you like best? If I stock more patterns in my shop, which is not ready yet, we've still got a little ways to go on it. If I start to stock patterns, obviously these are crochet patterns. What would you like to see as patterns in Hobby Rock's shop? Would you like some knitting? Would you like both? Would you like, what kind of crochet patterns would you like to see? Because quite often when you go online and you look at these shops, it's very heavily weighted towards knitters, and my shop will be impartial. It'll just be called Hobby Rocks. Yarn is for everybody else. Sell knitting needles and hooks, but I don't want to be one of those where you get the odd crochet pattern. You know, I want to stock a good variety of ones that people want. So if you could just let me know, what do you think you would like to see crochet wise when you start browsing on an online shop, pattern wise? And then, I mean, I've got a good eye. I'll choose some as well, but it would be interesting to have other people's opinion, because, you know, sometimes when I do, for instance, in the past I've done a yarn haul, the one I've liked least, a lot of people say I love that yarn, and I think it does take all sorts, doesn't it? People have all different tastes, so it'd be good to hear yours. And watch out next time for the King Cole. King Cole's a bit of a bigger order. There's a bit more to show you because there was more things I needed. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. See you soon.